In today's video, we'll work on a summer tier tray decoration. They will be based in the yellows, whites, and black for this summer. Let's get to it.
To make these books, I took a 4x6 plank of wood along with strips of bamboo, which I cut to size, some to 6 inches, the others to 4 inches, and we're going to glue these to the plank. So I glued my pieces around the 4x6 planks, and I got all these on Temu, by the way. So I put some wood glue and I glued the strips on to each side to make 4 sides and give it the thickness of a book. In order to be able to work with this a little bit quicker, I added some hot glue in the corners because I didn't put any wood glue there, and the hot glue actually helps to secure it immediately, but the wood glue actually gives you the strength. It could be a little finicky. I won't lie. You could be fighting to keep some of these pieces in place from time to time, but quite honestly, for a few other projects, I've made quite a few of these. Not so much of an issue. Now once you've done your 4 sides, you're going to let it sit. Once it's dry, you're going to grab another plank, and you're going to cover it. You're going to put it on top of the portion that you've done the bottom and the sides with. So you're going to add some wood glue to the edges and top it with your plank, and you're going to let that sit. I would even add some weight to it to make sure that it takes. And that's it. You've just made yourself some books, or a book. You're going to need 3 of these.
We're going to take 3 of our books that we have made, and we're going to paint 1 in white, 1 in yellow, and 1 in black. These might need, well, at least the light ones might need 2 coats. We'll see. Maybe not. It all depends. Ew, darn. Why not? we're going to take our books and we're going to glue them together. Just a little bit of glue. And with a pen marker, I wrote my titles of my books, which is Summer Passion, Easy Peasy, Lemon Squeezy. And with these as well, we're going to use our ribbon. And we're going to make a wrap and a bow. Maybe we'll add a little branch to it. Should I or shouldn't I? That is the question. We'll see. I need to fix my... Go.
And now let's paint a little birdhouse. And now for a cute little cutting board.
So I ordered this decal sheet, originally thinking that it was a sheet of stickers. It is a sheet of stickers, but I didn't realize it was going to be this massive sheet of stickers. So these things are huge, and I was thinking of using with our cutting board that one here, because it practically fits the profile. So I'm going to go get it and we're going to stick it on.
I apologize for the plastic noise. For individuals, so the fun part is I can just, or at least they look individual, maybe they aren't. I see. Goodness gracious. Let me cut this out. Okay, so they are individual stickers. Oh, goodness. Still can't get it off. Oh, but why? Oh, but why? Here we go. There we go. Here we go. And I'm glad I painted the whole thing, the whole cutting board, because it is see-through. And I can't see the flowers. Oh no! Maybe they will come out. Oh no! Well, I just... Now, where do I want it? And how do I want it? This thing sticks good. It sticks very well, I must say. There we go. And voila. I'm just gonna cut the edges with, gotta find it, an X-Acto knife. And I will make it stick out here, right here. There we go. Perfect for our little theme. And to keep with our theme, I'm gonna grab my little black and white check. And we're going to add a bow, just to keep with the theme that we already have going. I'm just gonna what am I doing? I'm doing it this way. I want it this way. I'm being very particular here. There we go. There we have it. I think it's cute. I like it.